An electron in hydrogen atom makes a transition N1 to N2, where N1 and N2 are principal quantum numbers. Where N1 and N2 are the principal quantum numbers of the two states. Two states are N1 and N2. Assuming Bohr's model to be valid, the time period of the electron in the initial state is 8 times that of the final state. That means the time period there is a T1 initial, it is a final state is 8 times of the T2. T1 is 8 times of the T2 here. Okay. The possible value of the N and N2 are, what are the possible values of the N1 and N2 we need to find here. Okay. Then for this one, we know that the time period of the electron moving in the nth orbit is given by, that is a Tn is equal to 4 times epsilon naught square, that is a n cube into h cube divided by mz square e to the power of 4, where epsilon is the permittivity and h is the Planck's constant, m is the mass of the electron, z is the atomic number, and e is the charge of the electron. And there we know that here the z value is also becomes 1. Then by substituting this value, we get the answer Tn is equal to 4 times epsilon naught square into n cube into h cube divided by m into z is equal to 1, that is 1 square into e to the power of 4. Then by this statement from this equation, we can directly say that Tn is directly proportional to the quantum number, that is n, that is n cube. Okay, I'm going to considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2 here. Then by the equation 2, we can say that when T1 is directly proportional to n1 cubed and T2 is directly proportional to n2 cube. And I'm going to take this as equation number 3 and this as equation number 4 here. Okay. By equating equation 3 and 4, we can get here, that is a T1 by T2 is equal to n1 square n1 to the power of 3 n1 cube divided by n2 cube here. Then we can write it as n1 and n2 is equal to, that is a T2. T1 is nothing but 8 T2, that is 8 T2 divided by T2. Then we get the answer n1 by n2 is equal to 2 by 1, and I'm going to, then we can write this one as n1 is equal to 2 times n2. I'm going to take this as equation number 5 here. Then by equation 5, when n2 is equal to 2, but from here we can say n2 is equal to 2, then n1 is equal to 2 times 2, then n1 is equal to 4. n1 is equal to 4 here and n2 is equal to 2. Then by this one I can say option D, n1 is equal to 4 and n2 is equal to 2 is the right answer. Option D is the right answer.